I'm going to make a pot roast with potatoes and carrots and onion, just the way my mother taught me. So let's get started on Darlene's table. The first thing I did was salt and pepper the roast liberally, and then I put a cup of flour in this gallon bag and I put the roast in there. Turn several times and make sure it's coated very well with the flour. We'll use onion, poblano peppers, garlic, and also potatoes and carrots that we'll put in. So start with your pot, a 6 to 7 quart pot. Put oil in, and we're going to brown this roast on all sides, even the edges. So we'll turn it over. I've got both sides browned pretty well. I'm going to try to brown these edges. It's not always the easiest thing to do. That really adds a lot of flavor. All right, I think that's good. I did brown it a little more. Next, I'm going to add beef broth. So I'll use 3 to 4 cups, but I'm not going to cover the roast. Just bring it up to the edge. I'm going to add the poblano peppers, put them in the liquid, and just put the onions on top. I've also added the garlic. I'm going to cover and simmer this for an hour. After an hour, I'm going to flip the roast over. And cook it for at least another 45 minutes. Okay, so the 45 minutes is up, and I'm going to take the poblano peppers out. Now, if you like spicy, you can add these back in with the potatoes and carrots. It'll just fall apart. I just love the flavor it gives the broth. Now, potatoes and carrots, and we're going to cook these for 15 to 20 minutes after it comes back to a simmer, or until fork tender. All right, it's ready. So see, that roast would just fall apart. I'm taking it and removing it to a platter, and then I'll remove the potatoes and carrots to a bowl. You can see the bits of onion, they've just cooked away. This is so good. It's what I remember growing up on. Stovetop beef pot roast. This is one of those old nostalgic recipes for me that brings back memories of days gone by. You know, coming home from school, playing hard in the backyard until your mom yells, "Dinner time, come and get it." And you open the door to the aroma of mom's pot roast with carrots and potatoes. Tender, savory, every bite is rich and hearty. It's what you've come to expect from old tried and true recipes like this. I made this video knowing that many have made this several times, and for you, I'm hoping it will rekindle an old memory. But for those that haven't and needed a good pot roast recipe, please give this a try. It's a good one. So go to Darlene's Table, find the recipe with all the ingredients so you can make this yourself. I also put a direct link in the video description and comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give us a like and consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with what is going on right here on Darlene's Table.